We'll start with the hyoid bone, right up here. See, whoops, as I throw things around. You can see the glottis, which is of course the opening into our larynx. Normally it would have the epiglottis there. You can see that on the other structures. We have the thyroid cartilage. You can see just a smidgen of the cricoid cartilage and then the thyroid gland itself. You can see the trachea here. Here are the lungs. We have a right lung and a left lung. On the right side we have our superior lobe, our middle lobe, and then the inferior lobe is actually more posterior on this model. The oblique fissure and then the transverse or horizontal fissure. And then on our left lung we have our oblique fissure here as well. When we look on the inside, you can see the rest of our trachea branching into our primary bronchi, and then our secondary bronchi, and then our tertiary bronchi, which are like the little twigs on the tree branch. You can also see the lobes of our lungs here. You can see our esophagus and our aorta, and I think that's it on this model.